And we're back with another video. Today I'll be showing you a new strategy where beginners can earn hundreds of dollars a pop in commission. And this is on complete autopilot. Once this is set up on your phone or on your computer or laptop, this is going to be unstoppable. This method is really simple, but it'll pack your inbox with notifications that you are earning money. If you've been watching my videos for a while now, then you already know the drill. But if you're new, I'm here to tell you guys that I will be walking you through all the steps so that you won't make any mistake. So I recommend you not to skip any part of this video so that you won't miss out on important details. And I don't want you guys to go directly to the website and do this on your own because there's a great chance that you won't earn money if you don't finish my tutorial. So stick with me until the end and we'll do this together. When this video ends, you can now start earning money. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Make Money, where I teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be first to know whenever we make making money videos online. Hit the like button for me, and if you have questions, leave a comment down below. Now let's go back to the video. In today's strategy, I will be showing you one website, but I'll also be sharing a secret tip where you can earn more. Okay, now we are here on this website. Boost your website conversions by 15% in under 15 minutes. They believe that customer-obsessed marketing is the best kind of marketing. Proof makes it easy. Make your website delightfully human. Now, what this website does is they help websites, other small websites or businesses grow. They convert visitors into leads and sales. Now, if you're doubting this website, if you scroll down here below, you can see that they are partnered with a lot of big companies right here. And if you look at the reviews right here, people are giving 5 stars review because this is a tool that'll help businesses, and it is very effective at making prospective clients feel compelled to sign up for an offer or purchase a product. A lot of people are saying that Proof is making an impact. As you can see right here on the right side, there is a percentage given of how much lift Proof gave their websites or their company. Right here, you see 8% lift. Here is a 20% lift, and that's already big. And right here, 106% lift from Proof. That is really great. Basically, this website is very helpful to new businesses that offer courses online. So what's gonna happen is that when someone clicks on your link and they buy the product or the plan of Proof, then you will earn 30% commission. Now, what I want you to do is go over here at prices, and you can see that there's a bar right here where the company or business owner can choose how many uniques per month they like. So as you can see here, they can change it here in the bar, and the price also changes. Now, the best seller is the annual $249 per month billed annually, and that is over 100,000 uniques per month. Now, if you share your affiliate link and someone buys this plan, then you will earn $74.7 per month. Multiply that by 12 months, and then you'll earn $896 per year. And that is a lot already for a passive income, and that is only with one click. So this is only one customer who clicked on your link. Now imagine 5 people who will click on your link and will actually buy the plan on UseProof. Now let's multiply 896.4 by 5 because there are 5 people, right? And that'll be $4,482. That is over $4,000, you guys, per month. And again, this is all passive income. Now, if I haven't told you about the website yet, this website is useproof.com. Again, this is useproof.com. So in order for us to start this method, what you'll need to do is go to the homepage of Proof, scroll to the very bottom of this page, and under company, you can see partners. Click on partners like so. Then we will be redirected to this page where we can see how the Proof program works. So first of all, we have to join the program and get our referral link. The next is to share our link on social media and more. So yes, we can share this on social media, but I will be sharing a better strategy where we can get more clicks easier. And the third and final step, which we all love, is of course get rewarded for promoting Proof, and that is getting the 30% commission every time you make a sale or every time someone clicks on your link and purchases a plan, a Proof plan. So right now what you'll need to do is scroll down here below until you see this one right here. Ready to get started? Join now. Click on this button right here, and then you'll be redirected to this page where you can sign up as a Proof Marketplace partner. So this is your application form right here. Join the family by sharing the most widely used social proof tool on the internet. 20,000 plus or more than 20,000 businesses use Proof to boost conversions an average of 10 to 15%. Now you can refer Proof's product Pulse, which is Pulse, that's the plan, and earn 30% commission and every customer for their lifetime as an active user. Commission ranges from $9 per month to $130 per month per customer, or depending on whatever their plan is. So what you'll need to do is fill all of these boxes right here and create an account. Once you create an account, you will then have your own affiliate link, your special affiliate link. Before we proceed, if you like this video, smash the like button and hit subscribe. Now let's go back. So right now, we already have our special affiliate link. What we'll need to do is to drive traffic to our link so that we can earn clicks. And when someone clicks on it and someone purchases a plan from UseProof, then we earn 30% commission. Now, what we're gonna do, of course, yes, you can share your link to social media platforms like Facebook or Twitter. You can go to Reddit. You can even share it to forums like Quora or other different forums online. Aside from doing that, what we can do is go over to google.com and search for different online courses. For example, cooking courses, gardening courses, music courses, any online courses, whatever niche it is, okay? For the sake of this video, for this tutorial, I decided to search on baking courses. Now that we're here on Google, what you'll need to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you can see right here from page 3 to page 10, that's where you want to browse different websites that offer baking courses, because the first and the second websites are probably websites that are already popular, or these websites may have promoted their courses already. So what we're going to do, we're going to target small or startup websites that offer online courses. So right now, I'm just going to click on page 4. So as you can see right here, there are also ads right here, and we don't want to click on that because these are websites which already had help or which already promoted or paid websites like UseProof to help boost their websites. So what you'll need to do is you're gonna pick a website which doesn't have this ad indicator right here. Now let me just click on this one right here, and we'll be redirected to their page. Alright, so before we proceed to the next step, I want you guys to comment down below and tell me, what do you think about online courses? Is it helpful? Would you like to enroll in one? Are you interested or are you not? Let me know in the comment section. Now let's go back to the video. Okay, so now that we have redirected here on their homepage, you can see all the details right here. And what you'll need to do is we need to find their contact details. Right here above, these are buttons for you to share their page or their website. We need a link where we can contact them. So that's usually found at the bottom of the page. So let's just scroll down. So as we scroll down right here, you can see here, follow us. They have an Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and YouTube channel. They have all these accounts. You can contact them through there, or you can look for an email address where you can email them. So if you can't find an email address, then you can just settle with this. You can contact them through Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook. So when you click on that, you will be redirected to their page, to their website, or to their profile accounts, and then you'll have to message them. You have to compose a message where you'll be promoting UseProof in order for them to boost their website. Now, if they are hesitant or if they are skeptical, then you can tell them that there is a free 14-day trial in UseProof and they can use that. Now, if they like UseProof, they will register to the plan. And when they register to the plan, then you earn money. Again, with just one click, with just one register, you can earn up to $800 per month. And again, if you can persuade 5 people to click on your link and register, then you can earn up to over $4,000 a month. And again, this is passive income. So guys, I recommend you to email as much websites as you can. I know it's gonna be a bit time consuming, but it'll be worth it, especially if you get a sale. Especially if someone clicks on your affiliate link and they register. So that is what I suggest. And that's it! If you like this video and if you learned something, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. As always, if you have questions, go to the comment section down below and type in whatever you like. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!